This was a winter dockside test of our submarine Bellavia. It was a bit foggy that morning. No problem for the sub, just for the hour-long drive to the launch site. The truck gets Bell close to the water, then we use a winch to lower the sub the rest of the way. This leaves the truck completely high and dry. This gives us more control than just backing the truck into the water like you would a ski boat. Once in place on the ramp, it takes about 30 minutes to get through the checklist, getting everything powered up and set to go. Life support is on, and it's time to do this. It all gets very, very real when that hatch comes down. Internal checklist complete, external checklist complete, deployment checklist complete, time to launch. We take it slow. The video here has been sped up 10 times. I spent about an hour on board in the water. This was the 5th in the water test, and it's been over 300 full system tests altogether. Once in the water, we worked through every system and component on board and did 5 partial dives. That hour goes by really fast. Bellavia performed great. We always get a page full of modifications to make for next time, but that's the point. I like to sneak up on things, expanding the envelope bit by bit. Every test we do pushes it just a bit further. It's a much slower process than just jumping in and diving to the bottom, but I think we learn more this way and end up with a better vehicle. After all, the goal of this vehicle is to develop the systems and learn how to use them. Trust me, watching the water work its way up the windows is adventure enough. I can't wait to close the hatch again. Bellavia, paving the way for exploration, the sea, the edge of space, orbit, and beyond.